Hello guys, is your Reolink camera suddenly not recording? It's a common issue but usually easy fix. In this video I will walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your Reolink camera record again. So start by checking if your SD card or the NVR storage is full or unreadable. Open the Reolink application, go to the camera's storage settings and confirm the storage status. If it's full, enable overwrite or replace the card. Now, go to the recording schedule in the app or Reolink client and make sure that the camera is actually set to record during the times you expect. If the schedule is blank, the camera won't record anything. Now, step 3 is verifying motion detection settings. So if you're using motion-based recording, check that the motion detection is turned on and sensitivity levels aren't set too low. Also, confirm that the correct detection zones are active to capture movement. Now, step 4 is restarting the camera. So a simple reboot can fix many recording glitches. Power cycle your camera by unplugging it or using the restart option in the Reolink app. This can reset temporary bugs that blocks recording. Now, step 5 is checking for firmware updates. So outdated firmware can sometimes cause recording failures. In the Reolink app, check for the latest firmware version under device settings and update it if needed to fix known bugs. Now, step 6 is inspecting the SD card for NVR. So, you can remove the SD card and test it on your computer to ensure that it's working properly. If you're using an NVR, check the hard drive is functional and correctly formatted for Reolink systems. Now, step 7 is resetting as the last option. So if none of these steps work, try resetting your camera to factory settings and set it up again from scratch. You can search for how to reset Reolink cameras on our channel and you will get the video to reset it. This can clear persistent software issues that prevents recording. The common troubleshooting for Reolink camera not recording is ensuring that the proper SD card is inserted and the camera recognizes SD card, proper recording schedule, detecting the event successfully, enabling the override, a stable network, accurate system timeline, and much more. So, you can also navigate to support.reolink.com and search for Reolink camera not recording and you will get this page where you can easily find the fix. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.